Hi, this is my first video ever. Sorry about the background because my brother is playing Fortnite, but talking about him, actually, subscribe to him. His YouTube name is Ahmad Albisha, mine is Serene Albisha, kind of the same thing. He does Fortnite, so if y'all are obsessed with Fortnite, y'all would like him, like his videos, because he's really good at it too. All I want to say is I don't know much. Please don't hate. But yeah, and please subscribe and like this video. My first video is going to be like my squishy collection. So let's just get on with the video. I don't want to make this too much of a long video. But yeah, this cake, I'm not going to talk too much. And this penguin. This homemade one I made. This one I don't like because I made it with nail polish. I redecorated it. It used to just be white and plain and stuff. This broken one. I don't take care of my squishies that well. This one that's obviously just pink and weird, defective. This one that's obviously broken. Oh yeah, the next video I hope is Squishy Dares. I don't know, but I need y'all to comment down below what Squishy Dares y'all would like, and I'll give shout outs to y'all when I do the Squishy Dares. Yeah, and this could be I could cut it and rip it, but I hope not. I love Squishy, but yeah, I'm planning on gluing it back, but whatever. This cat, sandwich Squishy, cat burger, and then this one's obviously a lemon in a video. I'm obviously going to be, I can do it in a Squishy Dares to be cutting it, and yeah, and make something out of it, I don't know. A taiyaki fish, I call it taiyaki fish, I don't even know if it's an actual taiyaki fish, but yeah. Squishy, and then a mini panda bun. I have all the sizes, mini, with this keychain, this medium, that feels so good, and this jumbo. I have this cloud that's really weird. I don't know, it just has a weird thing on it. I love this one. This one's my favorite squishy, obviously. I just love it. It's so satisfying to squish. Just feels so good. This one's obviously no Squishy Dares and nothing, because I love this one. It's obviously defected a lot. Gosh, I'm so sorry. But yeah, this was my first squishy. I got it from my mommy. My cousin left this, but I'll just show it to y'all because she left it at my house. It's just a cinnamon roll. It's hers, but she left it at my house. I'm taking great care of it. This one I keep on forgetting. Shut up! Gosh. Okay. I keep on forgetting to hang this on my backpack, but I'm going to. But yeah, and I also have this. I call it green tea because of that. It's super squishy. Just, bro, I hate it. He freaking, his room is right next to mine. I'll show it in the last, or when I'm all done. This Hello Kitty squishy. This emoji. This really, really squishy hamster. How squishy is this? I'm just kind of squishy like that. Oh my gosh, I just bit it. It's disgusting. I hope it's not nice squishy dares. Okay. This one was from my little baby cousin. Let's just say his name is Max. Oh yeah, follow my Musical.ly. It's just Serene Albisha, my YouTube name. I think I already said it, I don't know. I have a YouTube shirt on, even though it's named TikTok, but yeah. My cousin made this for me. I put it in packaging, I don't know why, but it's just cute. bit off. I never really touch it. The bit off part. Yeah. Banana ripped. I don't know why. The spare. Really hard. It's like stressful. This melon bun. Super squishy. This is also for my cousin. Really defected. Need to glue it back. But yeah. It's pretty squishy. This dumpling. Pretty squishy. This is a sky, grass, and river. Yeah. And this is just a piece of foam. I'm gonna be doing something on my video. And bro. Oh my god, what does that mean? This heart that's super defected. Can you please shut up? No, he's not gonna listen. I have to sleep with him too. Or not sleep with him, but like sleep like that. This was like my first squishy that I made. Oh. The face is like. My last squishy is this. Bit in half because I bit it. This is real. Okay, squish. Other things I don't really know. Bags. Stuff for my homemade squishies. Freaking, I don't know, tags. Other packaging. Other freaking stuff. This, I don't know. I'm about to just. Okay, well, that's that. I'm gonna be changing like where, like the phone is. Like sometimes I'm gonna be like putting my phone like that, where y'all can just see the carpet and not me like that, like some people do. But yeah, yes, I film on my phone. My room's ugly. If y'all want a room tour, then go ahead and ask for it.
Oh my god!
I wanna go play.
You
I wanna go watch.
Okay.
and I wanna watch soap cutting.
Oh, thank you guys for watching. My bed is not even clean. I don't even clean my bed. But yeah, please, here, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go back where I was. Okay. Please subscribe to me and like this video. I'll just get to like 10 likes and a couple subscribers. And I really want comments. But no hate comments, obviously. But yeah, and obviously Squishy Dares. And I'll give shout outs to y'all. And follow my Musical.ly, all of that kind of stuff. Follow my brother, subscribe to him, blah blah blah. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching, and bye bye. See you guys on my next video, and I film only Mondays and Saturdays. So I guess next Saturday I'll see y'all. Sometimes I won't film on those days, and yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Bye. Love y'all.